Everyone, hope you're well. We are going to learn what are bundles and arrays. In our previous lessons, we were running simple workflows, and you was able to see there was a one on every module when we run that. So that was one credit used. Today I will tell you more about that. Like in one credit, we can get multiple bundles. So here is a definition of bundles. In make.com, a bundle is a single self-contained record of data processed individually within a scenario, like one row from a spreadsheet or one email. So basically, let's say this is a Google sheet, and I did put some rows here. So one row is basically one bundle when we fetch that in make.com. So these are total 4 rows. So let's run this practically, and we'll create a scenario and try to fetch those 4 rows, and then I will show you how the bundle works. So here we will select Google Sheet, and let's say I'm using watch new rows. We will need to add the connection. That is very simple by connecting your Gmail, and you just have to click continue, and then our Google Drive will be selected here. Just we have to select our spreadsheet. That is business workflow. You can see the name of the spreadsheet here, and my tab name is sheet 1, so I will select here sheet 1, and definitely I have the headers, and let's change the limit to 3, and I'm gonna save this, and I want to process that all of the data that is in Google Sheet from the start. So I will need to see the 3 rows because I set the limit 3. And now if I run that manually, we'll be able to see one credit used, but we have 3 bundles here that we set the 3 limit. Because we set the 3 limit, so the bundle 1 is for Shoaib Azam and then Junaid Azam and Shahid Sajjad. It is accordingly, like Shoaib Azam, Junaid Azam and Shahid Sajjad. So it is organized in well mannered, and then uh, after the bundles, how this makes sense, and you will be able to know how these bundles are working. So only one credit we can fetch multiple bundles, but yeah, how we can use these bundles separately in next steps. For that, we will have to use the concept of arrays. So array is a built-in step here. There should be a array aggregator. Here it is. And if we see the definition of arrays are data structure used to store and manage lists of similar items. So there are 3 bundles you can see here. We need to use that. So the source module we will select is Google Sheet because the output bundles are here from this sheet, and we need the fields to be processed: sheet, company name, title, mail ID. And if I will run this now, uh, let me choose it all again, so it will not process the next rows. So if I will run this now, it will show the output in the form of array. So I will run this quickly, and you will be able to see one credit. But when I will open this, we will see the output in the form of array. So there is 3 image lengths, but 3 bundles here in the array. So let's say we need to use this in next step. So let's say we have a variable here. Variables are basically for uh, storing some value or something like that. So let's say I need this mail ID. If I will select this directly, we don't know it is the first row, second or third bundle. So we can choose here. Let's say 0, 1, 2. Array always start from 0, and we have 3 bundles. So 0, 1, 2. We need the third bundle. So we'll type here 2, and sorry. Oh, this is the name. So we need to put this in the value, and name is like mail ID, and I will save it again, and from all. So if we will not select this all, it will proceed from the next row. So let's say first time it gives us the first 3 rows, next time it will give this one. So we will have only one bundle, so that's why I selected it all again, and I'm gonna run this again, and we will be able to see here the third row, hopefully. Junaid Azam. Oh, okay. So in make.com, it is processing like from 1, not in the coding. In coding it is start from 0. So basically in make.com it start from 1, 2, 3. So we need to process it again just for testing. So we will run this quickly to see if it is Shahid now. Yeah, we have that. So hopefully you like the concept of bundle and arrays here. If you have any question, just ping me in the comment section or on my WhatsApp number. I remain more available on WhatsApp. So yeah, thank you. Like, subscribe to watch my next videos. See you.